So a lot of people have been asking me on what paints do I use and how can we start as a beginner and paint like you. So here's everything that you need to have to start painting. Yes, this is just one product that I've been using for 10 years now. Camel's Artist Watercolor Cakes. This single palette is all you need to start your watercolor journey. I've been using this particular palette for 10 years now and it has been a great experience. As you can see, I've finished a lot of colors in this. Actually, the whole palette is gone by now. I bought this palette when I gave my elementary exams and then I used it for my intermediate, for my school projects, for college. I did interior designing and for that I used this palette for my interior designing sheets. It has 18 shades. It has all the shades that you need as a beginner. The body, like this steel or whatever you can call, is so useful. Like I can just take my paint from here and then mix up and make shades whatever I want and then it'll dry up. So whenever I stop painting and I want to repaint something, I can just come back to these shades and just put water and use it. It is very convenient as well. The body of this, I think it protects the colors very well. Even after so many years, this didn't catch any fungus or anything like that. The color quality is great and it did not degrade over the years as well. In fact, I'll also put all of the pictures that I've painted with this palette, and even after drying, the color vibrancy is great. The body is great. It is very sustainable. It won't just go off. Like, look at that. I've been using it crazily and it is still intact. If you are a beginner, without any doubts, go buy this one palette. The color payoff is very nice. The pigmentation of the colors is very good. Even the after effect, like after it dries up, the vibrancy is still there. The hundreds of bookmarks that I've painted and I've sold are painted by using this palette. All of my orders, all of my Polaroids that I sell are painted using this single palette. And the most important of all of it is that it is very affordable. This is totally worth your investment. So all in all, what I want to say is just trust in me and invest in it. You won't regret it. To start your journey, you just need one thing. You don't need any expensive paints. You don't need multiple palettes to use. You only need one trusted palette. Not sponsored, obviously. Your skill is all that matters. And that was it for today. Comment down your questions if you have any. Okay, bye.